Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video of Can You Beat Fallout 4 with only a Gauss Rifle. This should be episode 10, if I recall correctly. I do not remember. I might look at this. Okay, so I broke the game. My PC crashed. I got it back working now. So yeah, what way was I going? To get there, oh yeah, that way. I mean, I could just not go that way, but there's not really anything for me to discover out that way. There's something for me to discover if I go this way, though. I'm gonna take lots of radiation doing this, though. Like, more than I want. I thought there was a Mirelurk or something. Which I know that there is. Oh, there's a dead guy. Ammo. Nothing else I need. Lots of bugs, I'll bet. Wait, did I not get the XP just now? Oh wait, yeah, I did, because I'm not going in there. There's too many Mirelurks, I know that. I might have to... run faster. Aid. I think this is like the first thing that I'm probably gonna have to eat. I should not have cooked the rad roach, to be completely honest. Oh, I should not be going up to this one. I'll discover it. I wish that there was a way to turn off all the radios in the game. No, oh, yes, here it is. I think that's, Atom Bomb, baby. That he says, no, that they were about to play. Alright, time to discover an NGTY. That was, another alarm. But, yeah. So, yeah, National Guard Training Yard is discovered. I am hidden. I think I'm gonna go discover, this place. Yeah, I got up to past the slog. Like, I could, like, do a map real quick, check the map real quick to show you what I've done. Alright, so originally I was started up here. I went down here. Then what did I do after that? And then I went to here. Then I swung around down here. And then I got across to Diamond City, like, right about here. So I, like, jumped up, like, I got on the thing. I jumped under the water and swam across. Came... Where did I come next? Oh, I followed the train tracks down to here. Then I went to, if I recall correctly, Bunker Hill. I discovered all this other stuff first, though, but then I went to Bunker Hill. I could have easily just, like, gotten to the coast and, like, swam all the way to Bunker Hill. Much safer. And then I went from there, I went to, I spawned in at Police Precinct 8, went to Backstreet Apparel, then the wreck of the USS Riptide, Cambridge Polymer Labs, Fraternal Post 115, and then I discovered the police station. I fast traveled back to Sanctuary, picked up the perk magazine, and then I fast traveled back to the police station. I spoke with Paladin Dance, I went to Grey Garden, and then I went to Grey Garden, then went to ArcJet, then went back to Grey Garden, back up to Jalbert Brothers, went back into the police station, spoke with Paladin Dance again, went back up here to get, but no wait, alright, so we cleared ArcJet, then we went to Grey Garden, then to Jalbert Brothers, and then we picked up the Ushanka right here for the 1 intelligence bonus. Then I ran back to the police station, went inside the police station, spoke with Paladin Dance, got the quest from Scribe, Halen, fast travel to Bunker Hill, went, swam up here and came up to this radio tower just now. Went to the National Guard Trading Yard, went to County Crossing, and now I'm going to be following the road. Going to be going to the Slog, right by Sagas Ironworks, and then I'm going to be trying to get up to Kasumi's house. There. I'm also going to be discovering this Revere satellite station as well. I'm not going to be looking for the distress signal because it's very dangerous out here at Revere. Do I have the perks I need? I think I do. Yeah, I have Sneak 1. That was a very long explanation of what's happened so far. I should almost do a less time on what's the TV show? Last time on Total Drama Action. Or no, last time on Total Drama Island. Oh, that would be so funny if I knew how to make a montage. If I knew how to use editing software. But yeah, I don't like... I'm used to like having my sneak like pretty high early on. Or like... Actually, I'm used to being like a stealth sniper with like a sneak of 1. And like an everything else of 10. Commie bandits. Did I hear commie mixed with bandit? We do not like communists, nor bandits around here. Alright, time to see what this power armor has. Sometimes it has, oh, wow. Last time I was up here, it had nothing. I think that I might actually, like... Rad-X. Yes, please. No, thank you. That is, inappropriate language. Plus, I might be considered enemy. I'll take that fusion core. Okay, everything is too heavy for me to carry, but... Well, I mean... I'm going to mark this location just that way I remember that, like, there's a full set, like, you know, there's a set by Sanctuary. I need to get that, or I need to get some power armor at some point. I think, oh, no, let's not go that way. What's seeing me? I don't have enough perception to see what's seeing me. I'll bet you it's that Mr. Gutsy. They have quite high, Mr. Handys generally have pretty high vision. Pretty high perception. He's probably down there fighting the robot. Oh, wait. Yeah, he's probably fighting the Finch family. Oh, I'm screwed. Oh, well, that's not as bad as I thought. I only can't see. Which isn't that bad, actually. I'm surprised that I only can't see. This is, like, way too much for me, though. I need to get out of here. I'm not going there. I'm going to be going up to the Slog, because it's safer there, because they have, like, 10 people to defend me. And then some. And I think that they're all, like, considered settlers. There might be one that might not be, but I think he's considered a settler until you complete a quest for him. And I think it's an unmarked quest. But I can't remember. It was like okay quest. It was basically just like every single Minutemen quest, but like Preston Garvey didn't give it to you. He gives it to you if you walk close enough to him. Oh, a traitor with a big sentry bot.
Get it while I got it.
Let's see what you have.
I got all sorts of stuff.
You can have the junk jet because it's it's appropriate for you to have. You're a junk vendor, like, you know. And then, like, here, I'm not going to sell that because it's like, raiders use that stuff. Actually, I'm not going to sell that either. We'll sell you something that, like, more people use than just raiders. I think I see a lot of settlers running around, like, with shotgun shells, 13. 132. I can sell you some fusion cells, like... I'll sell you some 5mm in case you want to use it for your sentry bot. I don't remember how to do math. I wish that like there was like a way to like just be like. But yeah. Sentry bots are so cool. Oh. Starbury. Wait, that's not wild tarberry. That's cool. And that's right next to the squog. I didn't know about that. I only knew about the ones in the slog. But I still need to sell these things to the guy in Diamond City. To High Boy. Oh no, I need to be careful. He's coming for me. I can hear his voice. He's saying, another settlement needs your help. But I'm not Preston Garvey. He almost got me. Oh, bloodleaf. That is useful for squirrel stew. All I need now is some squirrel bits, which actually is way more difficult to find than it needs to be. All right, now I'm gonna go over across the river and discover the mansion. Or, well, this is an insane asylum, but still, the mansion. I mean, it's a very nice mansion. Actually, this is very interesting. The architecture of Fallout 4 is very interesting. I wanted to make a video about it a long
You're
time.
trespassing on private property. Better move along, or else.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
This is private property.
I just want to get close enough to discover the... There we go. I actually think that they're gunners. Because, I mean, there's the gunner base that's, like, right there. You know, it's like... It wouldn't be a stretch. Now, it would be a stretch to say that, like, it makes sense that... Alright, so I'm not going there. Oh, right. It's a Deathclaw that's been killing all these things. I can loot everything now. A dusky Yelgwai. Okay, I'm out of here. It's way too dangerous right there. They might... Oh, no. Yeah, it's going to take them like an hour and a half to kill that Deathclaw. But, man, some Deathclaw meat would be yummy. I'm going to save real quick. Yeah, I'm not staying there. Alright, I think that this is actually it for this video. Yep, about 20 seconds left on my timer. Okay, so I think that it's the 3 super mutants with the missile launchers. I'm gonna quick save and die real quick. Oh, that's even worse than the 3, the missile launchers. Alright, I'm gonna let this kill me. And I think that's it for this game. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a nice day.